everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today, and I hope you are having a great day and getting ready for a great weekend. Today I have my Bella Skin box. I am so excited to get in and see what we have for clean and natural skincare this month, so let's open it up. Skin box is fairly new to my channel. I think this is only my third box, but it is quick becoming a favorite because it focuses on natural products. It is cruelty free, and you find yourself stuck in the house like we have, and you see all of the products that you use day after day, and it makes you so much more aware of the things that you're putting on your face. And I just love that this is based in natural products and is better for me. I just like it. So let's get in here and see what we have. This is the June 2020 box. It is a $35, can't get it open. It is a $35 per month subscription. I will put my link below, and it's Kathryn5 off, and that will get you $5 off your first box. This is what the inside looks like. So let's just dig in and see what we've got. Also, while I'm thinking of it, let me mention right here at the beginning, I keep saying she, V&A, who is the owner of Bella Skin Box, and she is so lovely. She's having a sale. It's on June 20th, and it starts at 8 a.m. Pacific, and she's going to have a sale of products that have been in past boxes. Not this box, but the past boxes. I have seen some of what's in the sale, and there are things I want to pick up because I missed the first couple of boxes. And there is a scalp treatment that my girl Vanessa over at Vanessa Beauty has said she loves, and her hair is looking fantastic, and Kitty has said that she loves it too, so I have definitely got to get that scalp treatment. You guys have heard me talking lately about my hair is not happy, so I am going to get some scalp treatment and hopefully have awesome hair. Oh my goodness, and I just looked down at my notes and realized I forgot one of the most important things. If you go over to her summer kickoff sale, if you put the coupon code SUMMER20N at checkout, you will get $5 off your order, in addition to the sale prices, so that is fantastic. Okay. Reaching into our June box. I have two pieces of paper. One will tell us everything we need to know about what's going to be in our box, and the other is a sweet note from V&A. So let me see what that says in case there's any other information I need to give you guys. She's just thanking me for being a part of Bella Skin Box. And I just want you guys to know, I'm not an affiliate with this. This is one that I subscribe to too. I just really like the products in here. So let's reach right in. And she mentioned she was going to put this in the box for me. I think that she said she's going to sell it. Don't hold me to this, but I'm pretty certain she said she was going to sell these in her sale too. And that is awesome because we are all using masks now, are we not? It's a nice cotton, and it seems to be double layered, and it has the elastic ear part, which makes everything so much easier. But how cute is that? So like I said, I think these are going to be in her sale, so be sure and check it out. I can't put it on because I always have lippies on, but let's see. Oh, I love the height. It comes up above your nose and down below your chin. This is going to be fantastic. Thank you, V&A. All right, digging into the goodies, and the reason we're here for this box, right on top, I have the Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Cleansing Foam. I have never used this product. I have used several of the Skin & Co. truffle products, but I've never tried the foaming cleanser. This says that it is a $30 value. Enriched with purified Italian water, the refreshing Truffle Therapy Cleansing Foam gently cleanses impurities away, while our proprietary black water truffle extract helps to reduce the signs of free radical damage and premature aging of the skin. With the help of lactic acid, Truffle Therapy Cleansing Foam brightens, hydrates, and improves the overall appearance, texture, and the tone of the complexion with daily use. This has lactic acid in it, which I have that super sensitive skin. And normally that would make me probably be like, oh, I don't know if this is for me, but since it's a cleansing foam, you use it, you wash it right off. I am for sure gonna give it a try. So let's see what it looks like and smells like. So it is just a nice foaming cleanser. Oh, is that coconutty? That can't be coconutty. Is that coconutty? You guys know I have the best nose on YouTube. I do not. It is not coconutty, but it is very fresh. It has a scent that made me think coconut. Yeah, it just smells really fresh and cleansing. It's foam. It's just really soft and nice. Let's see if there's anything else I want you guys to know. It is cruelty-free and made without sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, or phthalates, and it is made in Italy. All right, that's a great start. I always find it incredibly ironic when I'm making these videos that I get out a cleansing wipe to wipe off facial cleansers. That just always cracks me up. Okay, reaching in next, and on top we have our tool. And generally, each month we get some sort of tool. And last month it was some little cleansing pads that I am really enjoying. And this month it is the After Spa Jade Facial Roller. And this is what that looks like. And I am so happy to have this because yes, I have one. But I mentioned in a video not too long ago that when I use mine, you know, it's meant to be relaxing and you put your serums on, and I'm trying to get into this and gua sha, but once I know a little bit more about it, I'll tell you guys. But when I use mine, for some reason, it squeaks. So it's just not real relaxing. So I am so excited to have a new one of these. Oh, this is so pretty. Mine is so much lighter than this. Look how dark this one is. Oh my goodness. That is so gorgeous, which is neat because I am kind of collecting these now. Like I said, I'm collecting some of the gua sha stones and I'm going to do a whole thing. So I'm making a little tray. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet because I would love for you guys to be able to see it. But I am so happy to have a different color look because the other one I'll probably quit using because of the squeak, but I'll still keep it because it looks so different from this one. And this says, After Spa Jade Facial Roller, $16. And let me tell you, for a Jade Facial Roller, that is a fantastic price. This handheld Jade Facial Roller has 2 jade stones, a small stone for under eye, and a large stone for the entire face. Natural jade stone can be used at room temperature or frozen for a cooling, depuffing effect. Benefits: boosts blood circulation, reduces swelling, and helps your skincare products penetrate deeper. And that's what I do. I usually put on, like if I'm using some sort of serum or oil, I put that on and then I just roll over it and no squeak. I'm so excited. Okay, reaching in next, I have the Tropical Naturals Herbal Air Tea. Herbal Air, no, Herbal Hair. Some H's are silent, some are not. That is what it looks like. And it is just a big bag of tea. That is very interesting. I had never even heard of these, and then I got one in the beauty box that I just did from Bombay and Cedar, but I love this brand. This is the brand, that's the brand, that makes the scalp treatment that I'm hearing such fantastic things about, and I'm anxious to try that. This is the Tropical Naturals Herbal Hair Tea, $26. Herbal Hair Rinse is filled with nutrient-rich organic herbs to soothe and clarify your hair and scalp, as well as condition and nourish your hair. I like the sounds of that. It will also help to relieve the symptoms of dry, itchy scalp and dandruff, encourage hair growth, strengthen your hair, detangle your hair, add shine, reduce dryness, frizz, and so much more. I tell you, I don't have dry, itchy scalp or dandruff, but I have every other problem that they just mentioned. You just bring 1 cup of water to a boil, pour over 1 tablespoon of this. Wow, look how much is in this. This is going to give you so many uses. Let it steep for 20 to 30 minutes and then apply directly to the hair and scalp before shampooing, after shampooing, or after conditioning. It's all up to you. Let it sit in your hair for at least 5 minutes before rinsing it out. You can also leave the herbal hair rinse on your hair and dry as normal. Well, that is really interesting. I'm gonna have to get on the website and read more about this and see, like, for strengthening, or is there different times when it's best to use it for, depending on what you want to get from it. The back of this says that it is organic, vegan, preservative-free, cruelty-free, and what is that? It's yellow and it's very small. Synthetic fragrance-free. And just for the record, it is rosemary leaf, shavegrass horsetail, hibiscus flower, burdock root, nettle leaf, marshmallow root, ashwagandha root. We read about that when I do my tea videos. Aloe vera leaf, and chamomile. So it's all good for you stuff. Can't wait to give that a try. All right, reaching in next, I have the Otasi Rose Passion Brow and Lash Serum. Yay. It's like they knew what all my problems were. Brow and lashes, squeaky thing, hair problems. Fantastic. And let me tell you while I'm taking this out that in her sale on Saturday, she will have the Tropical Naturals. She will have some Dirty Lamb. She just, a lot of the products that she carries, so. And this is what that looks like. Let's open it up. It's kind of interesting. It looks like it's a dropper tube. It is. I'm gonna have to read, we're gonna read that in a second, how you get it on your lashes and brows if it's a drop. Oh, and it's very, can you see? It almost doesn't feel like an oil. It feels like a water. Oh, it does. It feels just like a water. It doesn't have much scent, just a light clean. If it wanted to lean one way, it would be floral, but it's almost absent of a fragrance. Okay, that's kind of rosy. It's very nice. Oh, it's for those of you paying attention at the beginning of our game, It's called Rose Passion, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick with that rose scent. This says Otasi Rose Passion Brow and Lash Serum, $18. Promotes eyelash and eyebrow growth and strength with rose water, yarrow, and provitamin B. The hills of Esparta in the Mediterranean are surrounded by a cloud of excitement in the magical month of May. With the sunrise, farmers make their way to the beautiful rose gardens of Esparta, a town known as the capital of roses in the Mediterranean. Drop onto your eyebrows and eyelashes both morning and night. Yeah, I don't think that I would drop it because it is so wet. I think probably what I will do is drop it into my hand, then take my finger and apply that way. I don't think I will literally douse my face with the liquid. Just my opinion. And reaching in last, I have the Dirty Lamb Turkish Coffee Mask. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and unisex. 4 ounces. And that is what that looks like. I've used coffee masks on my body. I don't think I've ever used one on my face, so that is interesting. The ingredients are coffee, coconut oil, turmeric, cardamom, and mint. How great is that? Nothing bad for you in here at all. It is good for 6 months from the time you open it and made in the USA. This says the Dirty Lamb Turkish Coffee Mask, $44. Wow. Packed with vitamin C, this 100% pure Turkish coffee powder makes for the perfect gentle coffee face mask. Combined with turmeric to reveal your brightest skin yet with this mask. Blackheads will vanish. Acne scars will fade. It improves blood circulation, which will improve the skin complexion as well. Tired skin will be youthfully refreshed. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Well, let's open this baby up and see what she smells like, which I can't wait, and feels like. You know, I love coffee. I'm a coffee and tea girl. I will tell you though, I have been off the sodas. While we've been home doing this quarantining, I have not been drinking many sodas, and last night I had my first Diet Coke that I've had in a long time, and that baby was delicious. Oh, it smells like delicious coffee, and that is exactly what it looks like. Just scrubby, yummy coffee. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. Tell you what, my hands are so dry from all the washing, it already feels good. That is what it looks like. It's gonna make a mess. Lean over your sink. That's what people always say about coffee scrubs. They love them, but wow, are they messy. But you know what? I can put up with a little bit of a mess if it gives me a fantastic feeling face. I am just rubbing this in right over my wipe that you saw me use a few minutes ago. So it's falling on that. Interesting though. It does have one interesting side effect I'm anxious to see. Can you see the back of my hand? That yellowish tinge? It almost looks like it has stained it a little. Let's see. Nope, it wipes right off. Comes right off. I was like, uh-oh. And it came off oh my goodness. My hand feels so soft. I know. See how soft it feels? But it truly, oh, the difference is amazing. I cannot wait to use that on my face. It has some grit to it, so if you don't like a physical exfoliant, this is probably not for you. I prefer a physical exfoliant, even though I have sensitive skin, because when I use something like this and it kind of grinds at my face, if what is in it is like this, all natural and not products that are going to irritate my face, the little bit of redness that you get from the actual physical exfoliation goes away almost immediately. Chemical exfoliants though, the vitamin C's and the acids, they sink into my skin and then leave me red for days. So this is a few minutes of redness versus days for redness. So that's why, even though I have sensitive skin, I lean toward a physical exfoliant. So that's my explanation of exfoliants and sensitive skin, at least for me. All right, that was my Bella Skinbox, and it was another great box. I cannot wait to try everything in it. And we see at the bottom of the card that for our $35 box, we got $134 worth of products. And again, they are natural, cruelty-free products, so I love it. So for the month of June, we received the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Foaming Cleanser, the Otasi Brow and Lash Rose Passion Serum, that nice Dirty Lamb Facial Coffee Scrub, the Tropical Naturals Herbal Hair Tea, which is going to fix all of my hair problems. I cannot wait. And yay, a new Jade roller, which look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. This box just speaks to me, so I really enjoy it. So again, I will put the link below. It is the link you use whether you are going to subscribe to the box or you want to get in on the 20th at 8 a.m. Pacific and see what she has for sale. If you are subscribing to the box, use Kathryn5 off, and that'll get you $5 off your first box, so it'll only be $30 instead of $35. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I just love the box. And if you're getting in to check out her sale and find something that you want, be sure and use Summer20, and that will get you $5 off of your order. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. If you have any questions about any of the products or the sale, anything I've told you, just let me know below and we'll talk about it. I will see you at the sale on Saturday. I will be picking up the scalp treatment. I hope I will be picking up the scalp treatment. I've told everybody how awesome it is. Boy, I hope I get one. That would be ironic. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and take care, guys. Have a great weekend.